Okay guys, welcome back to a new movie. We're actually gonna mount the lower unit back to the engine, the outboard motor. And there are two things that are really important. We need to make sure that the shift linkage is downwards, so in reverse. I just put it in reverse, as you can see. I push it in. And it's very important that when this one goes in here, we need to screw a small nut on it, because you can't do it up front. So now I will make sure that the prop shaft goes in, and there's a small pipe that connects into this impeller housing, because the impeller turns and pushes the water up inside this hose. So I will help it, lift it. And now the lower unit is in. I have my nut here, and I need to make sure, and I will make a close-up for you guys, but I need to make sure that this will connect. Almost. Okay, it's connected. I'm gonna leave this here. This is quite tricky, but I will make sure you can see it. So here you can see it. This nut, I just put it on, and this is the shift linkage that's connected to the shift knob on top of the engine on that side. So this one needs to be connecting to that one, and at that moment the space here is gone. So I need to push this in, then connect that one, the shift linkage, to that one, and then we're all set. So let me try this. As you can see, I'm pushing and twisting, pushing, twisting, pushing, twisting, until the nut reaches the other nut. And this is the moment everything should be ready to go further in this process. Okay. So, as I told you before in the previous movie, that the lower unit is connected with 4 bolts. I will put them ready. So now I can push forward. I take one nut, put it in, and make sure it grabs a few times. Same with the other one, other side. And I think when I shift to neutral, everything is fine. So now I will make sure that we tied it. There we go. And now the lower unit, as you can see, will slowly go into its place. This is one side. Alright, the other side. Slowly coming together. And we're almost there. I start with these two because that's fine for the whole shift linkage and for the whole package to work. So let me show you around. Alright, as you can see, we're finished. This is nicely tight. The 4 bolts where I talked about are in. Both sides, same place. And the shift linkage is in its correct position. When I shift backwards, you will see that it comes out nicely. Shift linkage, everything works fine. This one is in the rear, this one is neutral, and that one is forward. So, alright guys, well, it has been a pleasure to show you this, and there's gonna be more movies about this engine. I will make sure that I will replace the spark plugs and actually put it back in its neutral position.